Hello, if you wanna zoom in and zoom out your clip properly in Capcut, then keep watching this video till the end. Basically, you can zoom in and zoom out your clips in 3 ways. First of all, we are gonna do the basic zoom here. In the basic zoom, you can zoom the whole clip. So if you wanna zoom in the whole clip, just click over there, like this. And now spread the clip from the center point to the outside the level like this. And if you wanna zoom out the clip, repeat the same process. Just click over the clip. And now shrink the clip to the center point of it, like this. This is called zoom out. Okay, so this is the basic zoom. And now we are gonna do the second type of zoom here. Sometimes what happens, the starting point of the clip remains same, but as the video moves forward, it starts getting zoomed in like this. So how can you do this? So to do the second type of zoom in, click on the first point of the video, and now see here is a keyframe icon. Just click there. Now go to the end point of the video, and now reaching at the end point of the video, click on the keyframe again. Now zoom in the clip. And now if I play the video, see what happens. Now see the starting point was neutral, but as the video is moving forward, it's getting zoomed in like this. And now we are gonna zoom this video in the third method too. Let's go. The third method of zooming is called magnifying zoom. So now what the magnifying zoom is. Now to do the magnifying zoom, look at the bottom options. Here is an effects option, so click on it. Now you get 3 more options here: video effects, body effects, and photo effects. Just click on the first number, video effects. Now click on the search bar and search here magnifying. Now select the first option. Now click on adjust, and you can move the magnifying position. Scroll left or right the horizontal or vertical bar like this. Now scroll up the particle positions a little bit like this. This one. With the help of this magnifying zoom, without zooming in the whole clip, you can zoom in a particular person or a person's face in the video. This is how you can zoom in and zoom out your video in 3 ways in Capcut. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of valuable videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.